Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shut down your iPhone 16 Pro in a few different ways. Now, these methods can be used on any iPhone, so let's get started. Now, the simple and the quickest way is going to be using the volume up button, which is the middle button on your left-hand side, and then this big side button. We need to press and hold these two buttons at the same time simultaneously for about a few seconds, and a menu like this will pop up where you can slide to shut it down. That's going to be method number one. Now, method number two, it's going to be going into your setting on your iPhone. From there on, you're going to go general, scroll all the way down where it says shut down, and you can simply swipe to shut it down. Now, the third method is going to be if you have Siri enabled, you can simply say, "Hey Siri, shut down my iPhone." Yes. And once you issue that command, Siri will simply ask you to confirm, and then it will shut down the phone for you without you having to touch anything or go through the settings. Now you're going to be wondering, how do I power it back on or turn it back on? There's two different ways you can do that. First method is going to be the easiest, is just holding on to this side button until you can get the Apple logo to appear. And if that isn't working, grab your charger and disconnect it to a charger. And if it's already shut down, it'll automatically reboot the phone, because that's how the iPhones are designed. So those are going to be the ways to shut down and then power back on your iPhone 16 Pro or any iPhone on the latest iOS version. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.